I'm Thomas and I make stuff. And today, I'll be making a sled for this table saw. Now, as you can see, there is no fence on this puppy. The only thing that's wrong here is the spider dog. The problem is that I have to use it as a fence too. Now, that's not what we're here for today. We're gonna make a sled for this. I've got myself some wood and some more wood. Let's use our miter dog as a fence. Yeah, now I think that was gonna work. $39.6, $39.6, 7. Got our 4 pieces. They go like this and like that. Voila. That looks great. That looks awesome. Let's get screwing. Where is the thing? Where is the freaking thing? Ah! Where is the thing? Where could the thing be? Where could the thing be? Oh, I wonder where the thing could be. Where is the thing? Where is the thing? Did I eat it? Did I swallow it? No, I did not. If you're wondering what I'm searching one of these. But one of the ones that is not in here. Oh, I wonder, oh, goddamn. What's wrong with me? Hey! You would have thought. You would have freaking thought. We've got our 4 identical pieces. We've got this, we got that, boom, screw, glue, and it's done! Almost done. We've got a sled! Yay! Not quite. It's not a sled until it can't slide. Can't slide. It's not a sled until it can't slide. Well, it can slide, but not in the good way. Normally you'd have 2 of these sliding things, and then you'd make this one larger. And, well, for example, if there was one here, right, and I'd put a thing here to make it slide in here, and a thing is here as well, so that it can slide in 2 things, but I only have 1, so I can only do it in 1. It's not ideal, but it should work. No. Oh, I made it too big. Oh, no. Okay, so I've been really stupid here. This is obviously way too high for the thing to work, but that's what I'm here for, to make the mistakes so that you don't, I guess. I guess that's a pretty lame role, isn't it? And on top of that, the screwdriver is almost dead. It's done! There's one more thing to complete this instrument. That is obviously to install it. Very nice. Looks good. Let me get the camera a little closer. So that was how I made the sled for my table saw. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.